This is the OWrap. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Four of the accused in the trial of 33 alleged members of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang were on Thursday freed in the Supreme Court in Kingston. Damaine Elliston, Roshane Williams, Rivaldo Hilton, and Owen Ormsby were freed due to insufficient evidence against them. Prosecutors had earlier indicated they have no case against several of the accused in respect of a number of counts on the indictment. Belize is the latest country to announce its support for Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith in her bid for the Commonwealth Secretary-General post. Johnson-Smith is in a face-off with Baroness Patricia Scotland, who was elected to lead the Commonwealth Secretariat on a CARICOM ticket in 2015. Belize's Prime Minister John Briceño, who is also the current chairman of CARICOM, says Johnson-Smith is the better choice. A Jamaican university lecturer is to face multiple charges in the United States after waiving his right to an extradition hearing when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday. Russell McLean, a lecturer at the Northern Caribbean University in Mandeville, is to be extradited to the U.S. on kidnapping, armed burglary, and armed sexual battery charges. In entertainment, police sources have confirmed that an oversized bleaching cream is at the center of a dispute which saw dancehall artist Skeng being dragged off a flight destined for Trinidad on Tuesday. It is reported that while going through airport security, an oversized container of bleaching cream was found in his luggage. The artist was reportedly told that the cream would either be confiscated or he could try to have it added to a checked bag. It is alleged that the artist began behaving boisterously and disorderly. Skeng was later charged with disorderly behavior and resisting arrest. The artist, whose real name is Kevon Douglas, was offered bail and is slated to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on June 21. The national murder rate has increased to 6.5% so far this year. That's according to information from the latest Jamaica Constabulary Force Periodic Crime Statistics Review, which covers the period January 1 to May 23. It shows that there have been 35 more murders for the period, with 574 recorded this year compared to 539 for the same period in 2021. Amid the increase in killings nationally, the total number of serious and violent crimes committed so far this year has declined by 1.7%. The police reported that 1,921 serious and violent crimes were reported up to Monday when compared to 1,954 last year. Regarding a further breakdown of the murder statistics across the island, the St. James Police Division leads the murder count with 96 cases. This has been the OWrap. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.